Hey everyone, today we welcome you to the continuation of how to optimize your M2 MacBook Air, where we unravel the secrets of elevating your MacBook Air into a truly customized powerhouse. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore a plethora of techniques, ranging from refining its aesthetics to optimizing desktop organization. Our aim is to guide you through each intricate step, guaranteeing that your MacBook not only mirrors your unique style, but also becomes a catalyst for enhanced productivity in your daily endeavors. So, without further ado, let's collectively roll up our sleeves, delve into the intricacies, and embark on the exciting process of transforming your MacBook Air into a personalized masterpiece. Step number 6. Elevate your appearances. Embark on your MacBook customization journey by venturing into the Appearance tab nestled within your settings. Here lies a pivotal choice awaiting your discerning eye: the trifecta of options: light, dark, or dynamic duo auto mode. Auto mode introduces an enthralling dimension to your visual experience, unveiling a captivating array of accent colors that can dynamically shift across your device. But this customization adventure is more than a mere visual facelift. It is about crafting an environment that harmonizes with your unique sensibilities. Personally, I find the multicolor setup to be a delightful choice, injecting that additional dash of vibrancy into the digital canvas of my MacBook. The possibilities are as varied as your preferences, so don't hesitate to immerse yourself in the creative process. Experiment with different hues, gradients, and shades until you uncover the palette that perfectly resonates with your individual style, transforming your MacBook into a true reflection of your aesthetic taste. Let the journey into personalized perfection begin. Step number 7. Unveil the magic of hot corners. Now, as we continue our expedition into the realm of MacBook customization, let's uncover a feature that injects a touch of enchantment in your daily interactions: the intriguing hot corners. To unveil this magical capability, navigate to the desktop and dock section nestled within your display settings, and there, you will find the gateway to a world of possibilities labeled hot corners. Picture this: the ability to assign specific actions to different corners of your screen, transforming your MacBook into a symphony of shortcuts personalized to your needs. For example, designate the top left corner to swiftly launch your go-to application, while the bottom left corner gracefully unveils a quick notes interface for spontaneous thoughts and ideas. But hold on, the magic doesn't stop there. To add a layer of sophistication and prevent inadvertent activations, consider setting a modifier key. This ensures that your chosen hot corners respond to deliberate gestures, elevating your user experience to a seamless and intentional level. Imagine it as having a collection of secret passages or hidden doorways at your digital fingertips. Each corner of your screen becomes a gateway to efficiency and convenience. So, take a moment to explore the myriad possibilities hot corners offer, experimenting with different combinations and actions until you find the perfect blend that complements your workflow. Your MacBook is not just a device, it is a canvas waiting for you to plant it with the strokes of personalized functionality. Let the allure of hot corners guide you in unlocking the full potential of your MacBook experience. Step number 8. Dock mastery for a command center. Now, let us delve into the art of refining and optimizing your MacBook's digital command center, the illustrious dock. Think of it as the nerve center of your digital domain, orchestrating quick access to the tools and applications that fuel your daily endeavors. In this quest for efficiency and personalization, it is time to curate and streamline. Begin this transformative journey by decluttering your dock. Bid farewell to items that do not earn a daily spot on your productivity stage. Think of it as a digital spring cleaning, creating space for what truly matters. Your essentials should take center stage, ensuring that every icon aligns with your workflow needs and contributes to a clutter-free visual landscape. Consider the dock a canvas waiting for your artistic touch. Adjust magnification to bring prominence to your chosen icons, making them visually accessible at a glance. Experiment with icon sizes, finding the balance that resonates with your aesthetic preferences and enhances usability. And do not forget the positioning, whether it is anchored at the bottom or gracefully floats on the sides. Tailor the dock's placement to suit your ergonomic comfort and visual harmony. As you embark on this customization journey, envision your dock not just as a utilitarian tool, but as a reflection of your unique digital identity. Each adjustment, magnification tweak, and icon arrangement contributes to the symphony of personalization, transforming your MacBook into a device that seamlessly aligns with your habits and preferences. So, take a moment to finesse the details, sculpting a dock that not only streamlines your digital experience, but also adds a touch of flair to your daily interactions. It is not just about functionality, it is about crafting an environment that is uniquely yours, where every click and glance feels intuitive and personally tailored. Your MacBook is not just a device, it is a canvas waiting for your creative touch. Let the process of dock customization be a reflection of your digital identity, a testament to the art of making your MacBook distinctly and wonderfully yours. Step number 9. Desktop organization with stacks. Bid farewell to desktop chaos as we unveil a game-changing feature that will revolutionize the way you interact with your files. Stacks. Take a moment to right-click on your desktop. Witness the magic unfold as this intelligent feature seamlessly organizes your files, intuitively grouping similar items together. But the customization journey doesn't stop there. Dive deeper into the world of desktop aesthetics and functionality by tweaking the finer details of your stacks. Customize the icon size to strike the perfect balance between visibility and elegance, adjusting the grid spacing to create a visually pleasing layout. And why stop at the icons? Tailor the trash icon settings to align with your preferences, ensuring a cohesive and personalized desktop experience. Think of your desktop as a canvas waiting for your artistic touch. Stacks isn't just about tidying it up, it is about creating a visual masterpiece that resonates with your unique style. By optimizing your desktop space, you only not enhance efficiency, but also elevate the aesthetics of your digital workspace. Imagine a clutter-free desktop where everything is intuitively arranged, allowing you to focus on what matters most. Now, let us talk about the trash, the virtual bin that often accumulates digital debris. Take control of your digital decluttering by setting the trash to automatically empty after 30 days. This automated process ensures a hassle-free and systematic approach to keeping your digital space organized. Forget about the manual cleanups. Let your MacBook take care of the digital housekeeping while you concentrate on your task. So, as you embark on this journey of desktop refinement, revel in the power of stacks and the myriad customization options at your disposal. Your desktop is no longer just a storage space, it is a curated gallery of your digital life. Explore, experiment, and craft a desktop experience that seamlessly blends efficiency with aesthetics, making your MacBook environment a true reflection of your style and functionality preferences. As you step back and bask in the glow of your newly personalized MacBook Air, take a moment to appreciate the transformation you have brought to your digital companion. If these tips have proven valuable on your customization journey, do not forget to show some love by giving this video a thumbs up, hitting that subscribe button for a steady stream of tech guides to keep you in the loop on all things MacBook and beyond. Are there specific aspects or features you'd like to delve deeper into with in-depth tutorials? Your curiosity is our command. Drop your questions, requests, or suggestions in the comments section below. Your feedback fuels our content creation, and we are here to tailor our guides to your specific needs. That's it for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce how to optimize your M2 MacBook Air, a comprehensive setup guide for new users part 3. Thank you for watching, and I will see you onto the next one.